Hello, in this video, we'll understand how to find the equation of a median from the given vertex of a triangle. So first, let us look into what a median is. So if we have a triangle over here with the vertices A, B, and C, and if we have to draw a median from vertex A, then we'll find out the midpoint of BC. So let us suppose that the midpoint is over here. Midpoint divides BC into two equal parts. Now what we'll do is we'll draw a line from point A to the midpoint. So this is called as the median of a triangle from vertex A. So a median, it starts from the vertex and connects the midpoint of the opposite side. Let us just try out a question now. In this question, the three vertices of the triangle are given to us. So vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. And now we have to find the median from the point B. What first we are going to do is we'll draw an approximate triangle. Drawing it is not necessary, but putting the points and having the triangle in front of us makes it easier to solve the question. So point A is negative 3, 7. So negative 3, 7 somewhere over here. So this is point A. Point B is 4, negative 5. So 4, negative 5 somewhere over here. And point C is 9, negative 3. So 9, negative 3 somewhere over here. Now from this, we are going to draw a triangle. So we'll connect all the 3 points. So we have an approximate triangle. Now we have to find the equation of the median from the point B. So this is our point B. And if we have to draw the median, which means the line segment AC will be divided into two equal parts. So let us say this is the midpoint. And then when we connect these two, so this is our required median. Now, we know that to write the equation of a line, it should be written in the form of y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So we'll be able to figure out the slope of the line if we have the 2 points of the line. So one point is already there. To figure out the other point, let us name it as D. To figure out point D, we'll use the midpoint formula because D divides the line segment AC into two equal parts. So to find the midpoint D, we're going to use the formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So where are these x1, y1, x2, y2 coming? So these are coming from these two given points. So let us write these points. A is negative 3 and 7. C is 9 and negative 3. If we take this as point 1, so this is our x1, y1. And if this is point 2, then it is x2 and y2. So now point D will be equal to x1, which is negative 3, plus x2, which is 9 divided by 2, and y1, which is 7, plus y2, negative 3 divided by 2. So negative 3 plus 9 is 6 divided by 2, and 7 plus negative 3 is 4 divided by 2. On simplifying it, we get the point D as 3, 2. So we've got the point D now. So D is 3, 2. Now we just have to find the equation of the line BD, for which the 2 points now we already know. So B is 4, negative 5. And D is 3, 2. Now, if we have been given 2 points, is it possible for us to write the equation of a line? Yes. So for that, first what we are going to do is we'll find out the slope. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is x1, y1, x2 and y2. So using the formula y2, we have 2 minus y1 is negative 5 divided by x2 is 3 and x1 is 4. So we have this as 2 plus 5, which is 7 divided by negative 1. So our slope is negative 7. Because we've already got the slope, now we need to figure out the y-intercept. So we can use any one point. Let us take this point and this slope and put it in the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So we are going to get y is negative 5, m is negative 7, x is 4 plus b. So negative 5 is equal to negative 7 times 4 is negative 28 plus b. So b is equal to negative 5. Negative 28 on the other side goes as plus 28. So our b value is 23. We've got the value of b also, and we already had the value of m. So the equation of our median becomes y is equal to m, which is negative 7x plus b, which is 23. So this is the equation of our median. I hope you understood how to find the equation of a median from a given point in a triangle. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.